Okay, here we go. This is me playing with my cat. Hey Bandit, look. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Pretty kitty. Right. Kitty, you're on YouTube. Yeah, this is one of my cats, Bandit. Siamese ragdoll. See? She just hangs in. See? Oh, look. You're on YouTube. Well, you should be. You should be a cat model. Bandit, you should be a cat model for cat food. Oh dear. Here come the drill works. She drills so. See, she should be a cat. She's like looking at herself, like, ooh, I'm pretty. Ooh, I'm pretty. That's because you are pretty, Bandit. You are pretty. You are pretty. You're very beautiful. Why are you camera shy? Why are you camera shy, Bandit? Why are you camera shy? Bandit. Oh, fine. Fine. Oh, she drools. She just likes to curl up. Yeah, that's how we roll, man. Oh, fuck. Ew. She drools like a fucking water tap or something. She drools like she's a fucking water tap. It's okay, Bennett. I still love you. I still love you. Yeah. This is how we chill. Say. Is there something to say? Fine. Well, that's a video of me playing with one of my cats. Ah. She's very odd. Well, I'll leave you with this. I think for there I am. So, I'll explain a little bit. I'm going to elaborate. If you think you have AIDS, chances are you won't actually, and you don't actually have AIDS, chances are you're going to have the symptoms. Think because your mind is very powerful, and if you think you have AIDS, you're going to get the symptoms of AIDS. You won't actually have it, but you'll have the symptoms of it. Okay, Drooly Face, no. Miss Drooly Face, no. Miss Drooly Face, no. That's what I call her. Miss Drooly Face. Well, yeah. Peace.